How to withdraw USDT from OKX to bank account. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can withdraw USDT from OKX to your bank account. So kindly watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So here is how to go about it. The first thing to do is to log in into your OKX account using the app or the site. So once you are logged in and you are brought to the home page, you can see that at the top part of the screen there are two options, the exchange and the wallet. Ensure you are on the exchange page, and then at the lower part of the screen, so you'll see 5 icons, all right, come located or called OKX, discover, trade, grow, and access. Access is located by the lower right corner. So just go ahead and click on access. So after clicking on access, you will be brought to the access page. On this page, the next thing to do is to select withdraw. On this page, you notice that the only option being displayed is deposit, right? So if that's the case, the next thing to do is move to the lower part of the screen again and click on OKS, which is located by the lower left corner. And then on the OKS page, which is the home page, click on the dots that you can see at the upper left corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the profiles page. On this page, you see your profile settings, etc. And as you can see that, move to the manage access page and then click on withdraw. And then you'll be taken to your withdrawal page where you'll be asked to select or choose your withdrawal method. Now, the reason why mine is displaying verify your identity is because before I can withdraw or before you can withdraw on your AKS account, you have to ensure that you verify your identity, okay, by adding your ID, self-verification, all of that. Ensure you carry that out if you want to withdraw from OKX. So after clicking on withdraw, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to choose your withdrawal method, and then you'll be asked to select the USDT you want to withdraw, choose the on-chain withdrawal method, complete the withdrawal details, including the recipient's address, which is your bank account, all right, and then confirm the withdrawal. And then if you want to withdraw directly to your bank account, you have to go back to the home screen and then select the currency, then click withdraw, enter all the required details, ensure you verify your account, and then you are good to go. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can withdraw USDT from OKX to your bank account. Ensure you carry this out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.